going to discuss about how to slice index.php and how to connect header.php and footer.php file with any page. So let's go. First of all, we have to create header.php file, and then footer.php file. Then we have to copy the header content and cut and paste the header.php file, and then we have to cut footer code and then paste footer.php file. Now if we see our theme style is now broken and our header and footer not here, but don't worry, I will fix the problem. And how to fix, let's go. First of all, we have to be we have to write a function which name is get header function. That's it for header file, and footer file for we have to write footer function get footer. That's it. Very simple. Anyone can do it with the function. Just remember get header and get footer to connect header.php and footer.php. If we see again, yep, our website is okay, no problem, and design is okay. So that's easy. Now I'm going to dynamic the website. Okay, before we have to dynamic, we have to see the appearance option has themes customized theme editor, but we have to some add function that is the need our themes. So let's go. That's for we have to go function.php file and then create a function which name is z let you. Just for prefix I added that lets you can add anything prefix. Don't similar with this like my function. That's because I am doing because of if not the WordPress function not match with our function. That's why you have to be concerned which that your function won't be operating with the WordPress function. Your function have to unique. That's why I am creating. So let's go get ISO general and then add action has two parameter. First parameter, after setup theme, and copy the function name and paste the add action second parameter. If we see, just because of our function is okay or not okay, yes, our function is not okay because of we did a mistake, which is the syntax error. What is mistake? Yeah, our function spelling is wrong. I am always mistake with the function is spelling, so hopefully next time it will be not. I hope. Okay, our function is okay, and then add theme support function, right? First write the parameter title tag, and then write custom background. Okay, if we see, our title is not dynamic, so that's why I have added the title tag. So if we want to the title dynamic, that's why we have to first just delete the title tag. If we see, our title is now dynamic. Yeah, here is the Mr. Codeman and just another website. Our title is now dynamic, and if we see, there is a option added, that is the name background. Here you can update your background, your theme background. So, and then I am adding some supported will help the themes, so that's why I am copy the function and then right. Okay, before I am adding a support, so let's see what kind of parameter we add with the function which name is add theme support. Let's go add theme support. So many option we can add, many option. Right now we have need menus, widget, sorry, widgets, not widget, and then need post thumbnails. That is the basics. The every website need the WordPress or WordPress theme. Well, nothing changed because of we didn't dynamic. So let's go.